name's Stacey. I'm the regional coordinator for the great state of Idaho. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about what I do for my pre-ride safety check when I'm going mountain biking. What we like to talk about is the ABCs of your pre-ride check. A stands for air, B stands for brake, C stands for chain. So let's go through what I would be checking on my bike before I go out for a ride. First of all, air. So I'm going to look at my tires, make sure I've got a good amount of air, give them a squeeze, they're nice and solid. If you're unsure of how much air to put in, you can look at the writing on the side of your tire and it'll talk about the PSI you can read on your pump. I like mine to be firm with a little squish. So I'm going to look at my shock, make sure that it's clean, free of any debris all the way around, that they're working appropriately. They look good. Alright, next is brakes. I'm going to look at my brake, feel my brake levers, make sure they're nice and tight. I can also do a test, make sure both wheels are stopping.
Stacey, do you think you want to check your pads?
I could check my pads. I can look through this teensy little gap on my brakes and see they still have some pad there. You're also going to want to listen for any squealing or squeaking. Mine sounds good to go. Alright, last thing I'm going to look at is my chain. I'm going to look at my chain, make sure it's clean, free of any debris. Mine actually has some debris in it in my last ride. Okay, got some here. There we go. So clear that stuff out. Go backwards, make sure it looks like it's running smoothly. I can go forwards. If I really want, I can click through some gears, pedal through, make sure it's working.